Hello everyone, it is NFS Heat Fan here, and today we are playing Subway Surfers, the tag team. So yeah, and tag team is like when you select the characters. So for example, we are traveling to Venice Beach. I don't know where, but let me look it up real quick and see where it's at, because I think that it's in California. So yeah, this is my first time playing it in this city. Let me have the music up. Oh look, it has so many things like the Ferris wheel. Things you can ride on. It's kind of like the fair, like Six Flags of Georgia. Look at all the palm trees and the umbrellas in there. That is so cool. Look at that, it has the dragon ride, a balloon thingy. But look, it even has a outlet. There's a mystery box. I wonder what's inside of that this time. Here we go. My tag event rewarded. I wonder what do I get? Alright. I already know how to play this. Oh look, 3 hoverboards. Let's claim it. There's an ad here. I have to watch this to earn that. Alright, here we go. And I didn't realize that we can select different characters in the tag team event. Like I am right now. Oh, and I almost forgot. Tomorrow is the last day of Subway Surfers to be the same location. I don't know when. I don't know where the Subway Surfers game is gonna be now. Next week? I'm about to find out soon. Let's take a guess here. Which world tour is next week? Hong Kong, Tokyo, or Los Angeles. I don't know what it is yet, but I'm about to find out. Whether if it's Hong Kong, or China, or Los Angeles. It could not be one of those, but we're not gonna get into that right now. I just gotta focus on this. No! Imagine if I get 2,000 coins. That would be so awesome if I had 2,000 coins in that game. Alright, I found it. Let's see what prices do I get. Alright. Oh, yes, I can't wait to unlock it. That is so beautiful. Hoverboard I've ever seen. Alright, that is gonna be it for this video, so thank you guys so much for watching, and if you see this video, don't forget to hit share, like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to read the video also so you get notified when I upload new videos, so yeah, and goodbye guys.